doing such a good job, Margaret.
I need help.
You need help? Okay.
Be
Margaret, you were doing a great job peeling that orange.
That's good.
Very patient and determined. Here, Battle. Make sure it's not rotten. Oh, very juicy. Is that a juicy orange?
It's hard.
Yeah. Do you smell that beautiful smell? That's the orange blossom.
Oh, good job,
You
Margaret.
did it, Margaret!
You peeled it all by yourself.
Congratulations! You peeled that orange all by... You did it!
Let me help.
Okay, you want me to help you? Let me show you. You can do this part too. You can do. You just break it apart.
I can eat it.
Yeah, and then you just pull section by section, just like that.
Eat.
Good job! You're eating the fruits of your labor.